Why Indian always use stainless?
ઇન્ડિયન કેમ પેલું સ્ટીલ જ વાપરે છે એમ પૂછે છે.
સૌથી માટે સ્ટીલ સારું છે ને સ્ટીલમાં હવે શું મેડિકલમાં યુઝ થાય છે પ્રોસેસ ચાલશે સ્ટીલ પર હવે બધું
Because it's like very.
Mabuhay Philippines!
Namaste India. Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Like and share. Salamat.
So hello guys, we are here at the kitchen stuff here in Nandya. This is very famous shop for kitchen appliances, yeah?
Patwa Brothers.
Patwa Brothers. Let's find out the price here of their kitchen appliances. Look how beautiful it is. They have here like stainless,
Copper,
copper,
iron,
and then iron, and then non-stick,
Non-stick.
and then stainless non-stick.
Hindolium as well.
Helium. Like this, yeah, this is stainless non-stick. So, guys, let's see kung gaano ang mga presyo ng kitchen appliances here. It's a big shop here. So, let's start from what is this?
Cookers.
Cooker. Pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker. Indian kitchen always use pressure cooker, yeah?
Cooker, yes.
So, let's start from this small one.
This is stainless.
How much is this, Shama?
2,400. 600 is off.
2,000?
400.
400. Oh my God. Yeah, can you please open it? Oh, 2,400 because this is stainless, yeah? Good quality.
But look, the weight and everything is very good.
Yeah.
The piece.
How about this different style, like this one? This where?
This is 1,910.
Oh, look, this is quite big compared to the first one, but this is more cheaper, yeah?
Yes.
Maybe the
and
quality.
Prestige is a good brand here.
Ah, this is
Prestige.
Prestige brand. How much is this big one?
This is the big one. Let's see.
No, this is the biggest one.
Really?
Yeah. How much is this?
Let's see.
Here,
2,850.
2,850. How many liters is this? It's
I
big.
think so. 5 liter.
5 liters. Yeah, look,
Yes.
so many brand. This is Prestige. Prestige. But this one, this
Small one is expensive.
this is Prestige as well. Tri-ply. You know, tri-ply. That's so expensive.
But our one is like this. Yeah, copper material.
Yeah, just copper only.
Copper.
This is
we
copper.
buy this from DMart. Yeah, and this is copper.
This is copper. This is not copper.
copper છે ને?
No, copper is like this.
Aluminium.
Aluminium.
Yeah,
Aluminium.
not copper.
How much is the price of this aluminium?
1,300.
1,300.
Look, price is 1,800, but 500 discount today. 1,300.
1,300.
Let's see the biggest one of this aluminum.
Yeah, look. How much is it?
1,800.
1,800?
Oh.
This one?
Yes. આ કેટલા લિટરનું છે? 7.5 liter.
7.5. This is aluminium as well. So
Yeah,
aluminium is cheaper than stainless, yeah?
Aluminum cheap.
And how about this? What is this?
Non-stick.
Pressure cooker?
Non-stick
Non-stick?
material. Yes.
There is pressure cooker non-stick. How much is the price of this Pontura?
4,250.
Oh my God, 4,250.
250.
So expensive is non-stick.
And 1,520, the smallest
The
one.
smallest one, 1,000.
520
I think this is like 2 liter, yeah? Size 2 liter.
liter. Let's go.
Dito naman tayo sa kawali. This is like kawali, yeah, in Philippines. What is the price of this?
2,880.
Oh my God, 2,880.
Look, but price of this is more expensive because
How about the small one? This one.
1,600.
Oh, because this is stainless, yeah?
Stainless is expensive.
Expensive. And how about this stainless? This pan, but
Cover with
this one is, how you call this?
what it is?
Non-stick.
Non-stick.
How much is the price?
1,380.
1,380. This is quite
No, 2,380. Sorry.
2,380. This is quite expensive. How about this small one? Yeah, don't look. Very, very cute. Very small. How much?
1,550.
1,550.
But it is very heavy. no?
Yeah,
Very
1,550.
Yeah.
Oh. And this is the biggest one. How much is this price?
4,800.
Oh my god. 4,800.
Hmm.
It's very expensive.
Very.
4,000 expensive. How about this one? I think this, this is for if you cook.
But this is lifelong. If you buy this,
Pancit, if you cook pancit, how much?
5,600.
5,600.
They have lead as well, big lead.
Stainless.
Look,
Ah,
this is the lead.
This is lid for this. Stainless lid.
Food will not get stick in that, he said.
Ah, non-stick as well.
અને ઢાંકણની price અલગ હોય છે? This lead price is included.
For this. But I think we bought like this in D-Mart, yeah? Like this.
But we buy
Ah,
big
this
one.
is Hindolium as well?
Yes, Hindolium.
How much is the price of this?
450.
Same what we bought from D-Mart, yeah?
D-Mart,
Like
yes.
this, like this size. No, bigger than this.
It look like steel from outside, but inside is like a
Aluminum. But
Aluminum.
this is Hindolium. Alright. And how about this? This is non-stick. One second.
Anodized.
Non-stick, oh?
hard anodized, he said.
Hard?
Anodized.
Anodized?
In they said in Hindolium they cover it for to make non-stick.
How much is this, Shama?
Let me see, 2,200.
2,800.
Steel,
Very
stainless.
expensive in Philippines. As well here. But mostly people use here stainless in the kitchen.
Here, yes, in the kitchen.
Even plate. We will check plate. This is different. Look. This is for if you're serving food, yeah? Like soup.
You can cook here as well, he
You
said.
can cook here as
Heat it up soup or like this. It
But
is
look,
non-stick.
This is non-stick. How much is
Non-stick.
the price? Small?
2,280.
Oh my god, very expensive.
Because it has a work lifelong.
Yeah, look, it's set. 1, 2, 3,
Try to lift up all together.
5 set.
Is it heavy for you?
Yeah, this is 2,000. The smallest one. And how about the biggest one? 5 set. How much is this?
Price of this is
So maybe this
4,280.
is more than Shama. I think like 15,000 just
Yes,
for 5 set.
yes.
Wow. So I think post people only can afford this. And what are those copper?
Copper. For water.
For drinking water.
They said if you drink water from this from early morning, it will reduce your belly.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my god.
That's
So-
why this is the helpful.
So I
material.
think I should use that one
Yes.
to reduce your belly.
Belly. Early morning. Yeah.
This is same as well, yeah? Same.
Same.
So this is healthy job. But how much the price of this one, Shama?
This is 3,900.
3,900.
Yes.
But what we are using before this, from the road?
Pot. Clay pot.
Clay pot. How much is that? Like
100 rupees.
100 rupees only.
So let's go and see there.
How about, look. This is pot as well, yeah? Cooking pot, but
1,090.
this is light.
Light,
I think
very
this is
light.
not expensive. How much?
1,090.
1,090. So still expensive for me. And how about this one?
That is like a different material.
How much is this?
850.
This is quite cheap. This is I can afford this. I can afford this.
And look, they have their clay material as well.
This one palayok. Look guys, may palayok din pala.
He said to me, you can cook this on the like gas as well.
Wood. We use this. Cooking from wood.
Yes, and you can use for microwave as well. I'm surprised. Do you think we can
How
use
much is this?
600?
600.
But material is very good.
Also din palang palayok in India because I thought it's only in Philippines. We call this palayok. You
But
know?
I heard from my grandmother, if you cook rice in this, it is very sweet as compared to
using wood.
wood.
It's nice.
Yes, very
Or
nice.
Charcoal.
Charcoal, very nice. They have cup as well.
How much is it?
600.
600.
Look, they have cup as well in the corner.
This one. Oh, dude.
Shana, you want to buy this cup?
Cup.
Yes.
Cup using clay. This is clay, yeah?
Yes.
Buy this cup.
But do you think it will? Yeah, it will break. Yeah.
Of course, it will break if you.
And this is
if
for
you pull a
What are
this is as well bottle. Look.
bottle water. Nina, be careful, yeah. Be careful. So many stuff here. My God, that's why.
Let's go and move spoons and
here,
everything.
spoon.
How we have
Spoon. How much is this? Let's see this one.
not one spoon.
No, is it? Look.
It is set, whole set.
Full set.
Yeah.
Alright.
3,600
Ah, this full set.
whole set. Whole set.
And what is this? Let me see this.
Knife.
Ah, knife. Nina,
Shana, careful.
Look. Magkano kaya re? How much is this? Beautiful. Look.
Let me see. I don't
The
know.
price is there.
700.
700 only. Look. Nina, be careful. 1 second, Nina. And this. Oh, it's good quality. Look.
Yes, 700.
700 but 4 pieces.
Hmm.
When we move to our new house,
We can buy.
we can buy this.
Hmm.
I think it's more, I don't know the price now in Philippines, but it's quite expensive shop here. Yeah, quite expensive shop.
But this shop where I bring you, they have guarantee and warranty.
Guarantee, warranty. Look here. This is non-stick. How much is this? Non-stick?
950.
950. But this is good. So guys, we come here as well because we want to buy something. So let's see what we will buy.
Let's go next door. Come on, Sanaya.
Look, non-stick. This is for chapati shama, yeah? For chapati.
This is for dosa.
Ah, dosa. Yeah, dosa.
Like you spread and it will not stick.
And this one is for
Chapati.
chapati.
Yes,
Oh,
what
very
we are
heavy.
using.
This is like ordinary cup.
It is iron.
Iron, yeah?
Iron.
How much is this? Iron?
250.
250. Quite heavy.
Very heavy. Careful,
Here
Shania.
you can cook chapati?
You can cook there as well, but you have to use, wood thing only.
Okay, so what else? Those are non-stick. And look, this one. Non-stick like this. How much is the price of this?
1,900.
Okay, this is what you will cook it. Chapati as well?
Yes.
For rich people. This is
We
for
can
rich
buy
people.
there.
So now I know there is for post people chapati. So I think I will buy this now.
So let's go now next door,
We are
Bimbo.
just using like this. Yeah?
Yes,
Very
let's go
cheap.
next door.
Let's go next door, Daddy.
And he is the boss. What is the name of the boss here?
Brajas Patwa.
So now,
Brajas Patwa.
Rajas Pratva.
Rajesh Bhagwan. Thank you for welcoming us here. Yeah? Thank you very
Abar
much.
tomorrow.
We will buy. We will buy.
Let's go.
Okay, look oh. Ito mga ganito oh. Oh.
Strainer.
But how much is price this? But this is good quality. This
I
is
don't-
very important
80,
in
80,
India.
80.
This
For
is
tea
very
every day.
important in India because every day we
Tea.
prepare tea.
Tea. It
And
need to be strained.
How is this? The leftover.
Leftover
The
tea.
leftover tea. This is very helpful here.
Look all the
But what is this? Why it has hole? Look. For what?
frying.
Oh,
Frying. Some people make jalebi from there as well. Zara. Steam. Jaleb, yeah.
And here's a plastic.
That is silicone.
This is silicone. How much price of this silicone?
Let's see.
I thought it's plastic.
150, 200 like this. This is 200.
But silicone. I thought it's plastic, so it's good. Okay. And look, what this is?
આ કયું મટીરિયલ છે?
Yeah, nylon.
Nylon.
Nylon. This one nylon.
Specially for non-stick only.
Non-stick one. Yeah, because it will not damage. It will not damage.
Let me see, Shania, price of that.
Nylon.
Let me see
First time
price.
I heard nylon. This is designed
140
This is designed for non-stick.
non-stick. So let's go more.
And look, this is for
Wood.
chapati like this.
Yes.
Different, different. And look, what is this shama?
For water.
For water?
Serving water.
Alright. And guys, this is
Steel plate.
for eating, yeah?
Dinner set. They have whole dinner set.
Look,
With small one.
totally different. Because
Shania, come here.
we use plastic, yeah? I prefer to eat plastic.
Yeah.
Here,
But
like
this is totally complete dinner set.
dinner set.
You have this small one to serve dal. This one, chutney, glass, like a spoon, fork, and I think so.
This is
छ
like-
छ थाળી આવે છે? Six plate.
6 plates.
6 plate. Careful.
54 are 54 pieces.
54 pieces in 6,000.
6,000. 54
Starting rate in 3,000.
There is starting rate as well 3,000. You can
3,000.
buy.
This is maybe the quality, yeah?
Quality is different.
Normally it using the stainless plate, yeah? Stainless plate.
We are using this.
Yeah, look guys.
You have this, Bimbo, at Philippines, carrying milk.
Yeah, this is for milk. Yeah, guys, for milk.
This is
Inside,
to- Idli sambar madam. This is for idli sambar, but we have for milk as well.
For idli.
This is for milk.
For milk. And this one as well, maybe for milk.
Oil,
Oil. This is for oil. Yeah, you can
Yes,
use for oil. But
oil.
look, guys, how
milk as well. You can use any liquid
we are
material.
using like this for oil. Look. Yeah, for oil.
Yes, I'm
Same
using
like-
this.
How much is this?
Let me check. Any price શું છે? 77.
77 only?
Yes, 77. 700? 770. મને પ્રાઇસ નહીં ખબર.
Look, all is stainless. As you notice, all is stainless.
This 710. To
this
make
is
chakri.
chakri?
Yeah. You put the flour inside and just roll it.
Flower is it? Chakri. Chakri. I don't know this chakri.
We eat chakri, snacks, Indian snacks. You remember?
You never cook at home. You
I am cooking on the Christmas only.
For Christmas only. This is for special
Yeah.
occasion.
I have, but I have still
Chakri, our snack.
snacks. Yes, gathia.
Yan guys, so dito pala niluluto yung chakri. Snack. Okay. But how much is this?
750 because material is different.
750.
And look, this one I like this. In this they
Copper.
copper. They drink water early morning from here.
Really?
It will reduce the tummy.
From here?
Hmm.
You put water here?
Water. Some are soaking some seed and they are
So I
drinking.
will use this now.
Methi, they
My
soak.
tummy is getting big. And look guys, this is for oil.
Oil,
as well, yeah?
oil. Small amount of oil if you need.
Alright. This is for oil. Yeah. This is
If
designed
you want
for
to
oil.
apply
Because the,
on chapati or paratha, you use this
this is designed for oil.
oil. Yes.
Really, it's good to buy this. Very important for oil. And what oil?
Look, they have stainless steel for salt and pepper. Careful. This is if you want to carry buttermilk.
Buttermilk.
Yes.
Ah,
Or
this is
dal.
Totally secure. How much is this? Buttermilk.
Don't move, please. 329. 8 buttermilk.
So what we are buying now, Shama? So guys, we're buying like this one, but because you bought already, but
I
this
bought-
size, yeah?
I bought bigger than this, and it is very
like
big.
This, like this, same like this, but it's quite
Very
for
big.
us, very big. When we are cooking
Biryani.
is too much, so we want to buy this one.
Small size, little
Beautiful
bit.
look, stainless,
Hindolium material.
Indolium, but look, stainless.
How much the price,
How
Ben?
much the price?
550.
550.
But in this, you have to pay lead price separately.
Get angry with me. Oh my God. This is very good. 550. How about the lid? We have to buy lid.
Separately.
Where is the lid?
આનું ઢાંકણું બતાવો ને please.
Okay, the boss is getting.
Look, lead, all lead are they hiding here.
Lid is there.
They are looking for lead.
The lid. This one. Huh? Sorry.
ઢાંકણાની શું price છે?
Little bit. What about
120.
even little bit big lid?
No.
Because if it's small, yeah, like this.
Like this, yes. 120 price separately.
120.
Yes.
Okay, so you do the job. Give us discount.
Okay.
So we're buying this, yeah?
He will give us discount. Let's see. He's laughing.
And also, I want kayuran. Kayuran like this for coconut.
પેલું શું કહેવાય? સૂળો. સૂળો 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 નથી હું કહું.
So guys, total price of this 670 daw ay nakatawad si Madam Shama. So we will pay this for 600 only, yeah?
Yes,
This one and that one.
because I'm buying from here, he give discount. Nice, good,
Good.
good.
So 600 only is like 500 pesos. 500 pesos. Look guys, oh. But we have this, yeah? We're not buying this
No, we have this.
for
Crushing anything.
cutting anything, black pepper, ginger,
Garlic.
garlic. Right.
So that's
So
good.
I come here also for kayudan, but
They don't have.
They
They
had before, but
મંગાઈ
today
આપશો
they don't
તમે
have.
મંગાઈ આપો. He will try to get.
Why Indian always use stainless?
ઇન્ડિયન કેમ પેલું સ્ટીલ જ વાપરે છે એમ પૂછે છે.
health માટે સ્ટીલ સારું છે ને એલ્યુમિનિયમ
અને ઇકોનોમી વાઇઝ ને એક વખત કરી.
સ્ટીલમાં હવે શું મેડિકલમાં યુઝ થાય છે 300-400 સ્ટીલ પર હવે જે ટ્રિપલાય છે બધું હવે 300-400
Because it's like very healthy to cook in the steel material.
Very
Because
healthy, yeah, I know,
because they use what they use for surgical material. This kind of steel they use.
For surgical, even for the hospital. that they are
Inside
using.
the equipment what they use this material to make the vessels. And also one time only you buy, it is for lifelong,
Forever.
your generation to
Because if you buy this
generation.
glass, it will break.
Yes,
Or-
plastic.
Or plastic, and also plastic, the germs is easily to
Yeah.
what's this? The germs easily to
Grow
to
inside.
stay there to grow.
Yes.
But if this kind of
Material.
quality material,
Yes.
so
You remember Karthik? He
Yeah.
is using from my grandparents.
So this is for healthy purpose as well, yeah. Because Filipino are asking why most of Indian eating on the stainless steel,
stainless steel.
and also this is for,
And also this is pause. If you serve Indian people on plastic, है ना? આપણને એવું લાગે ને પ્લાસ્ટિકની થાળીમાં આપ્યું. They use plastic material
Same
little
in
bit
Philippines,
down.
it's plastic, but what we are using for eating plastic, this is not just ordinary plastic.
I know.
This quality.
But if like a very important guest come and
it
if
should
I
be-
serve them
should be
in the
stainless like
plastic, they will think, oh, she served me in plastic. Better in the nice shiny steel plate.
So this is the reason. So yan guys, mga Filipino, you know now why Indian are mostly using stainless in the kitchen.
But most of the we are getting modernized, yeah. They are using plastic now as well.
Yeah.
But for cooking, they still follow our generation.
So guys, it's time to pay now. We have to pay him, Mr. Patwa, 600 rupees. Please this. So guys, if you want to come to Mr. Patwa's kitchen appliances shop here in Ajad, very famous here, and you can have discount. Just mention Dimbo's name and he will give you discount. To all Filipino nearby, yeah, like Amdabad, if you want beautiful kitchen stuff, you come here to Mr. Patwa's
Brothers.
Patwa's Brothers shop. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for welcoming me here. So guys, thank you for watching Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs. Thank you Mr. Patwa. Please continue to support us and keep following us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.